Hello, welcome to the unboxing video. So I'll be showing you the 2021 Essentials Planner, the classic version from BDJ or Crazy About Paper. And I will show you how it looks like. So this one's the classic one. And I'm just gonna open this. So I've been searching for a good planner for me, and I don't use as much paper as I should be in my planners because I also rely on the Google Calendar. So it's only helpful if I could plan my days in a monthly basis. Okay, so here is the 2021 planner. And as you can see, there's a cute, I guess this is the magnet bookmark. Okay. Wait, it's hard. There. The universe is with me. It's so cute. It fits the aesthetic. Look! Oh yeah. It's hard to show. There. So there's the planets in the back. Okay, I'm gonna show you the inside of the 2021 Essentials Planner. Yeah. So the finish of this cover is cardboardy. It's a cardboard. There's no plastic cover with this, so we have to be careful with storing it. And then the binding here. Okay, let me show you with the inside. There. So there's the yearly layout from 2020 to 2022. Wait, I had to check. I thought that I bought the 2020 version because it started on 2020, but okay. Then there's the, I guess, inspirational section of the planner. So there's about 2 pages, 2 full spreads. Then here we're gonna start the monthly planner with the December 2020, and then it quickly starts with the January. So as you can see, it's an open space for the weekly schedule. And what I like about this, although I'm not a bullet journal girl, it's enough space for me to take notes for anything else. So I'm not binded by the dates. So although there's like the indicator that this one is for week 1 or something, it's not really that obvious. So there's enough space for each week of the month. And that's about it. It's the same till the end. Just waiting for. Okay, so there's about how many pages? About 2, 3, 4, 3.5 full spreads of spare paper for other notes. So what I've observed with this calendar is that there's no actual year's calendar. It's just the overview, not like a place for us to put some things on it. So I'm gonna show you. So this is the 2021 Essentials Planner. I'm gonna show you what my 2020 planner looks like, and this is what I've been searching for the next year. However, I couldn't find one that is exactly the same as this one, that is accessible for me. So this 2020 planner, you can see that I have stickers right there. There's also a sticker for the months, although I didn't use it since I'm not I don't see the need for it, so I just kept it there. So it's called a scheduler, and there's the preview for the year and the next year. And then there's a yearly plan. This is what I like, although I didn't use it anymore in the latter part of the year because of COVID. So there's the yearly plan, and there's also a monthly checklist. Again, you can see the empty space because COVID happened. But what I like about this is that it's a checklist, and I am a fan of a checklist. So what you can see here in this scheduler is that there's a month spread, and then there's just enough notes for me to place all my reminders and checklists. So I've been using the monthly scheduler because I want to see on paper like what will I do for that day. Like I couldn't just depend on my G calendar, and most of my schedule is like for the webinar and all. Yeah, so this scheduler is until February, and the personal data is at the back, and the design is cute though. What I like about it is it's also in plastic cover. So whatever happens, if it gets spilled inside my bag or something, it's covered. Unlike the 2021, I have to find something that would cover this. So what I like about this planner now is the dotted pages. I'm a fan of like a square, like a grid, as you can see here. But I couldn't find one that has a grid, and also just an open space. But yeah, compared to the others I saw, this one's the best so far. That is like an open canvas for me, but at the same time it's guided with the numbers and the fixed dates. Yeah, I'm not as consistent in writing labels, so it's better that there's labels already and I would fill it in however I want to use it rather than having an undated notebook. Yeah, I'll just get frustrated by designing it. So yeah, and it's bigger than my hand. Overall, it's a sweet planner. It's very sleek, and you'll just have to take care of the cover and find a plastic cover that's fit for it. Okay. That's all for the review. I hope you are happy with this.